Hey, welcome to Garage today. We're going to be taking the trailer apart here and cleaning it up and repainting it. You can see it's in pretty rough shape. Tons of rust. We're going to use a wire wheel on it to get it right down to the metal. We're going to paint it with red oxide primer, and then we're going to repaint it, maybe yellow. And here we see the axle's been taken off. It's been de-rusted for the most part. All the rust's been taken off. It's got a layer of red oxide primer on here, and it's going to be painted black. And here are the salvageable brake drums. They're actually in pretty good shape once I got most of the rust off. I just took all the bearings and stuff out. I scraped all the rust off them. They got a coat of red oxide on them, but they're going black. Well, this happened over 2 days. I stripped the trailer down completely. I've got one coat of red oxide primer on there and one coat of Rust-Oleum yellow. I think I'll put another coat of Rust-Oleum yellow on there just to make it look good. And finally here are the old brake back plates and pads that were on there. They're not salvageable. These are in really crummy condition. But thankfully, to buy brand new ones, a brand new set's only about $100. So brand new ones are going on the trailer. Thanks for watching. We'll see you later.